boss here. Next time, I'm gonna chop off your head and I'm gonna feed your body to my dog. Got it? What? What are you doing? Why are you after me? Get him, Nova. Oh, he's gonna get you. Get him. Are you scared? Are you scared of him? He's nasty, isn't he? I don't know what your problem is, bro. Why is he chasing me today? I'm just trying to get everybody fed. What the hell's the problem? He's gonna get you. Whoa, he's gonna get you. Get him. Tell him what's up. Look, he's all acting nonchalant. Just pecking here. I don't want to rip your face off or anything. Ooh. Get him, Nova. Show him who's boss. Never turn your back on a rooster. That's how he gets you. Why? What? Why are you so nasty? He almost got you in the butt. Get him. Why are you putting up with that? Don't put up with that crap. Get him. Tell him what's up. Who's the boss here? Are you the boss or is he the boss? Show him. Show him what's up. Get him. Excuse me, I have to walk through here. Excuse me. Excuse me, sir. Go. Get out of the way. Go on, go. Go. So I have this rooster, and I read this thing online. That if you have mean roosters, you can do a little training trick. And we're gonna try this today. Let's see how it goes. Grab a hold of him. Put him on his belly, hold him by the neck, and hold him down. Apparently, this is what they do to the hens, and it's supposed to work. I do this sometimes with rams, where I flip them on their butt, and then I put them on their back, and then I sit on top of them and say, "I'm the boss here! I'm the boss!" Works pretty good. We're gonna do the same thing with this rooster. Because this mother effer has been chasing me all morning long. I'm just trying to do my chores. Like, what's the problem here? So we're gonna try it. You just take care of your hen and just worry about her and not the rest of us, huh? Yeah, how do you like that? I'm the boss, okay? I am the boss. You're not the boss. Quit acting like a jerk, okay? Do we have an understanding? Do you understand me? You got it? I'm the boss here. Next time, I'm gonna chop off your head and I'm gonna feed your body to my dog. Got it? Comprende? Go. I don't know if that worked. I'll report back later.